Distinguished colleague from Davao and Batangas is recognized, Senator Bongo.
A pleasant afternoon to all of you, Mr. President and distinguished colleagues. As Chairman of the Committee on Sports, it is my esteemed privilege to sponsor the Senate resolution commending and congratulating the Filipino bowlers, for they have brought pride and honor by winning gold medals in the 21st Asian Youth 10-pin Bowling Championships held in Bangkok, Thailand. The Philippine bowlers team achieved an extraordinary feat as they have emerged victorious by capturing the overall championship for the first time. Likewise, their exceptional skill earned them not just one, but 2 gold medals in the fiercely contested international bowling competition. This triumph stands as a testament to their commitment and dedication, which serves as a source of pride and honor to our nation. Mr. President, I would like to take this opportunity to convey my commendation to Artigal Barrientos, who has achieved a remarkable victory by earning a gold medal in the boys master division. Further, Barrientos alongside with Sak Ramin, Stephen Luke Diwa, and Mark Dailan Custodio successfully clinched the championship title in the boys division. Also, my gratitude goes to the coaches, mentors, and the entire support staff who have played an instrumental role in molding our outstanding athletes. Kayong lahat po ay simbolo ng lakas at isang malaking inspirasyon sa ating mga kababayan. Maraming salamat sa pag-alay po ng inyong sakripisyo para mabigyang dangal ang ating bansa. Rest assured that I will continue to pursue sports development programs and initiatives that will promote the welfare of our athletes to further elevate our status in the sporting world. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you very much, dear sponsor.